race is started with Pronto. Break, let us start. Running by the rail is winning move. Rushing about the outside is right as Rain, then followed by Gorgeous. Chelsea alongside comes Red Cloud. Super is Spicy comes next. Apo getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. We start. Then next online is Himpaba with M. Coraggioso. Raising down the back stretch with the quick is striding Pronto on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead right as Rain in second, and in third comes Red Cloud winning move, rushing up down on the inside. Gorgeous Chelsea comes next. Super Spicy Apo Himpapa with the next online is Coraggioso second less, while Stark is still racing in less. Another fourth turn with Pronto right as Rain. Now moving upon the outside. Winning move is down in third. Then comes Red Cloud, Super Spicy, Apo, Gorgeous Chelsea, Himpapa with as they swing to Honda lead. Now belongs to right as Rain. Pronto is running by the rail. Then here comes winning move. Now moving up. Last 100 meters with right as Rain. Winning move in between horses. Entering the finish line. It's winning move. Right as Rain. Then comes Pronto, Apo, Super Spicy, Papawit.
We've seen
This program is brought to you by Bittergo. Go na go with Bittergo.
quarter clockings po ng ating unofficial winner numero 1, winning